Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Logitech G533 wireless gaming headset, DTS 7.1 surround sound, Pro G audio drivers are on board. Oh yeah, that is the way it is. If you like to have a good audio, a surround sound thing on your head, compact design, this is my choice because we bought it because it's a nice thing, really nice thing. The Logitech G gaming headset for Windows 7 and later we are using it on Windows 10 computer. It delivers the advanced audio performance normally found in high-end audiophile headphones. Custom sound profiles setting required Logitech Gaming Software, of course. You have a patent panning Pro G drivers and DTS Headphone X 7.1 surround sound accurately recreate the in-game environmental effects and positional audio that game designers intended you to hear. And makes this wireless gaming headset available right now. Pro-grade wireless audio with advanced lossless digital audio transmission gives you incredible high fidelity sound and connection strength with up to 15 meters range. Oh, without cable. Before, we are using years by years only headsets with wireless connection. And this is so because if you stand up fast and run away, the wireless headset will handle this, but the wired connection headset will do not handle this. I'm talking about things that have happened. You have here 15 meters range. High performance PC gaming headset made with the latest materials and manufacturing techniques is designed to be a durable yet lightweight headset you can wear for hours. Rechargeable, replaceable battery with 15 hours battery life provides a standard power you can rely on for non-stop gaming sessions. Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7, Mac OS 10, Mac OS 11 or later. Everything is possible with this device. The G533 Lightspeed Wireless DTS 7.1 Surround Gaming Headset. Immersive DTS Headphone. Exposition Surround Sound. Check. Booming bass and critical clear highs from hybrid Mac Pro G drivers. Check. Advanced wireless and battery life. Check. Keep reading to learn why PC Wars said the G533 is probably the best sounding wireless headset at the price. And this is right. This is right. It is a little bit heavier than a standard wired connection headset, of course, because of the batteries inside. But the sound is really awesome. It matches around your ears. Awesome. It will get you into the game, into the movie, into everything what is made with audio. Really awesome. DTS headphones. Oh yeah. No wires, no limits. Fine-tune control is able. One ear volume and mute controls make it simply to adjust audio on the fly. Easy to set up custom equalizer, surround sound and microphone levels on a per game basis using Logitech Gaming Software. And if you do not use the gaming software, it is able to get you a good sound too, of course. Only plug it in with a with a Wi-Fi connector into your computer, into your Mac, and then it will pairs it by itself easily and in 1 or 2 seconds. After this, you're ready to get the sound out of this headset. Complete your wireless desktop. Combine the G533 with a light speed mouse and a keyboard for a complete wireless desktop. This is awesome. But we do not need this because we are using a notebook, and the notebook has the keyboard on board. That means we are only thing we need is this wireless headset, and the mouse is wired. Old school, baby. But you have DTS 7.1 surround sound. Oh yeah. Pro G audio drivers. Check. Adjustable boom mic. Check. And this on wireless setup. You also can have this on a wired connection, of course. But the wire will band you in a defined area. This will get you all of it. You can stand up, you can stretch a little bit, you can have sport with it, but only in 15 meters range, of course. You can replace the earbud. It's not the earbuds, the rubbers around the ear. This you can clean and get it back in position. You can adjust it, but the height. You can adjust the mic, no problem of it. It have a good shape and it matches to yourself. Really. I like this Logitech G533 wireless gaming headset so much. And you can see inside left or right handy where it is, no problem to see and no problem to wear. It has a good match of your headphone thing. It has a good range because of the 15 meters. This is enough. And it has a good sound because of the good microphone. The microphone you can band a little bit. You can band everything on this Logitech wireless gaming headset. I like it really much. It's not so expensive. It is under 100 bucks. So let's give them a chance. 7.1 surround sound, Pro G audio drivers all on board. And the only thing you have to do is plug in the Wi-Fi connector into your computer. After this, Windows will automatically detect it. Then you can adjust the volume up, volume down by using the volume wheel. You can use to get the power on and off switch. And of course, you can make by a button push the microphone on or off easily. That it is easy, naturally. Logitech G533 wireless gaming headset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.